Fancy a Chinese recipe that's deliciously crispy, spicy, with a hint of sweet and sour? Well, look no further, we've got you covered with our General Tso's chicken recipe. Stay tuned. First step, start off with the sauce. So we're first initially adding soy sauce, hoisin, sesame oil, vinegar, and some chilli, and give that a really good stir. Now onto the Saffron Alley chicken thighs. They're skinless, boneless, and cut to around 2.5 centimeters each. Trust me, you want to stick to chicken thighs because they remain succulent throughout the frying process. Chicken breasts can risk becoming overcooked and a little bit dry. Now we're going to marinate that chicken, so we're adding a little bit of that sauce along with some ginger and garlic, and then again giving it a really good mix and leaving that to marinate for at least an hour. Once marinated, take it out and add your cornflour and give that a really good mix. You want to ensure that all of those chicken pieces are coated entirely. Now we're going to fry all of those chicken pieces, so have your pan full of hot oil and add all of those chicken pieces. Takes around 5 minutes and you'll want to turn it halfway through. For 1 kilo of meat, it took me 3 batches. And they're already golden, crispy and delicious, and you just let them drain on a kitchen towel. And now we're on the latter stages of finishing the sauce, so add your brown sugar, corn flour, give it a good mix, and we're adding chicken stock. Now we're going to stir fry that sauce, so we're going to saute garlic and ginger as well as chili flakes for just 30 seconds. Then add the sauce and let it simmer with occasional stirs. It'll thicken up. And once thickened, you can add your chicken, so give it a toss so it's all coated, and the quicker you toss it, the crispier the chicken will be. And finally, we plate it up with some sticky rice and some stir-fry noodles, and honestly, it was absolutely delicious. Went down a real treat with the family. Hope you enjoy it.